Well, guys, what do we have in here? Alright guys, what is going on today? Today we have a huge thing that just showed up in the mail today. I had to wait a little bit because it was raining out. It's not raining right now, so I'm going to do an unboxing on these. These are the ported heads that I've been waiting for. Alright guys, well, I just undid the screws. I have not opened this up yet. I just undid the screws because I didn't want to, have you watch me just do the screws. So we're going to open these up. Take a look at these things. I want to give a huge shout out to Jason Derea, Elitehemiperformance. He had these. He does not sell these, but he does have the throttle body. I did the video on that. He sells that. He does a couple small things. So if you got anything, hit him up. He does not sell these or manufacture these. These are the BES Stage 1 port and polished heads. So let's open these up. Take a look at them. And he's got great boxes in here too. These are his personal boxes. Wow. I'm going to pull this out the box, guys, so you can get a little bit better look at it, and we'll take a look at the other one. Alright, my man Jason came through in the clutch. These are port and polished heads. These are the BES Stage 1 port and polished heads. These are the ones I originally wanted. He had a pair. I made a deal with him, so we got that deal going. Instead of the, I was going to go with the Guage Performance and send my other ones out, so that was a whole big issue. I'll get into that in a minute of why I didn't go with them. And these are the ones that Jay recommends and the ones that I originally wanted to get from the beginning to go with my my new cam I got. So we're going to go through all that. We're going to explain why we went with these and why the cam works perfect with these and stuff like that. So these are the ones. I'm not going to take the tape off or anything like that. We'll take the tape off. I'll show you all that on the install date. The install date of these is this Saturday. This video is going to be coming out. This video is going to be coming out Wednesday, and the install date is going to be Saturday. So I'll have the installed video up on Sunday. But as of right now, as you can see, these are beautiful. Great work. I'm very happy so far. Great quality boxes they came in. I'm going to take the other one out and show you that one in a minute. Like I said, all right, this is the other head, and this is, very happy the way these came out. He got them cleaned up for me and everything like that. And yeah, I mean, I'm very excited to get these installed. It's going to turn the truck into a whole new animal with these and the new cam. So yeah, we're going to go through everything, and it's going to be a very fun weekend coming up and stuff like that. If you're new to the channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Help support the channel. Buy some new merchandise, CamRam, and all the other good stuff we got going on coming. And this year is going to be the best racing year this channel has ever had. So let's get ready to shatter some records. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. It really does help the channel grow. Stay here for all the best Ram Hemi content that you can possibly get. And I'll do my best to give you the best Ram Hemi content that you can possibly get. Alright, as you can see now, we have BES Stage 1 port and polished heads. And these are the ones that Jay recommended I get, and I originally wanted to go with. But, you know what I mean, the price was high, especially with a core charge, because I couldn't take, I mean, I could, but my truck would be down, and I'd have Steve take the things off and send it back out and stuff like that. So what I did was I found Guage Performance, who Steve recommended, who I was going to go with them. I made a phone call to them. We had a great conversation, and everything was going very well with them. But the issue with that was the same thing. Steve would have to take the heads off, send it back out, come back in, and then he was originally going to take the cam. He was going to do the cam swap in my house, and he was going to, like, and this was all big and planned until maybe 2 weeks ago when we had everything set. So he was going to do the cam install at my house and reinstall everything except the heads. I was going to take the heads, the fonts, they were going to port and polish them, do all the good stuff that. And you know what I mean? That was that. And then he said we have to schedule another day where he can come by and install, reinstall the head, get the first start up, all this and that stuff. So it would have been a 2-day process for him. So that was the original plan. And then I hit up Jason DeRay at Elitehemiperformance. I want to thank him for this. This is huge. And I asked him if he had a set of ported heads for sale. He said, actually, I do. And you know what I mean? He told me the price, and, we worked out something. And the price was a little high, but we made a good deal, because now I can actually send him my stock heads. He said, yeah, why don't you send me your stock heads? We'll negotiate on this price. I was like, dude, that's perfect for me. You know what I mean? And I got the crates. As you can see, the crates, he made them. They're his crates. They're very, very well made, and I can send, and I trust sending my heads to him to be safe back in them crates and stuff. So when we're done the install and everything, the first startup is gonna, everything's gonna be done in one day now. But so that's the other main issue. Everything can be done in one day, and now I can send my stock heads to Jason, and he can do whatever he has planned for him, and he gets a pair of stock heads. So I don't know, whatever he wants to do with them. Maybe sell them, maybe do some port and polish them, send them out, get port and polish. I don't know. That's up to him. But thank you very much, Jason. You are the man for hooking me up with this. So yeah, port and polished heads. Now my original plan was to go with Jay's 2.5 high lift V2 cam, and just never do the ported heads, and just try to get the best time I can without ported heads. And then I decided, I was talking to Jay, and he was like, dude, you can easily get 11s if you get ported heads, go with the Victor 2 intake manifold, stuff like that. So talking to Jay, I'm like, you know what, screw it, let's do it. So he sent me up with the stage 2, which is the 2.5 version for ported heads. So the 2 and the 2.5 are they're the same version, but not, if that makes any sense. You know what I mean? The 2 is made for ported heads, and the 2.5 is made for max effort with stock heads. The 2 has actually got a different, hopefully I'm saying this right, a little bit different duration. I'm not a cam spec expert, so you know what I mean, the loop's a little different and stuff like that. And this time I did get the thump cam. So yes, when I install this, and when Steve installs this and we do that first startup, this bitch is gonna chop. It's gonna be loud, exactly what I want. My truck's loud now, but this is gonna be a little bit much more aggressive of a cam than my baby cam that I got in now. This cam I have in my truck now is a 205/222. The one I'm getting installed is a 213/226. So it is quite a bit bigger. If you guys know your cam specs, that's what it is. And these ported heads that I got are going to go perfectly with that. And we are going to get 11s. That is my goal. Actually, I have a new goal now, and that is to smash another record. That actually my record of a 1226 and an NA 4x4 Ram got beat by Guage Performance guy, Rick Spellman. Congratulations to him. But all I got to say to him is, you better watch out, because I'm coming hard. I'm not, you know what I mean? While I was, on winter break, which I can't even race, this guy gets all these mods done and goes and beats my record. Nothing I can do about it, but, I have plans, and now I got bigger plans. My plans were to do this, but no, now I'm even going bigger and better. I'm going to see what I can get basically max this guy out and see what we can do. Get that record that I've been, that I've held for so damn long. And it got beat in a 2-month period of a guy putting all the mods on. But congratulations to him. He did beat it. But I plan on getting that right back very fast, and not just beating it. I plan on smashing it. So let's go with that. And yeah, like I said, the install date's going to be this Saturday. Video will be up Sunday. This video right now is going to be live Wednesday. Probably around, probably watching this at 1 o'clock on Wednesday or something like that. I'll have it uploaded and everything like that. Today's Tuesday. It's a video. The upload's Tuesday. The day I'm making this is Tuesday. But we got a lot of big things coming, man. I can't wait to get back to racing season. So, we got the install video coming. You got this video, the install video, and then I got a couple 0 to, I could do the loudness 0 to 60, stuff like that. All the differences from power to what it is. Logging, I got to relog everything and stuff like that to Jay. So there's a lot of big videos coming, a lot of big plans coming. And then I'll be at Cecil County. I'm going to be there the Saturday it opens. I'm not going to be able to get there Friday because it's, an hour from my house. And ACCO's open the week after that. So I'm going to go to Cecil that Saturday. I think it's, March 6th or 7th. I think 7th is Saturday. I'm going to Cecil. And my goal that Saturday is to run 11's first time out. Like my 1226 that I ran it was in great weather. Don't get me wrong. It was a negative DA. But it could have been even better negative DA. We get crazy weather here in Jersey, and I spun on it. So easily could have been a 12-1 if I didn't spin. And, we want to go out and get 11s, man. That's the goal as the first day. And then, we're not going to go with the Victor 2. We got other plans coming instead. We may still go with it depending on the converter and stuff like that. But as of right now, I got different plans. I'll keep everything I'll let you guys know everything that's going on, man, because that's what I do. I try to keep everyone intact, let you know what's going on, and let everyone else know what's going on. So that is the plan as of right now. Ported heads, I got everything in the truck already ready. You know what I mean? I got my daily driver, so I don't need to take this every day. If I do, I take it out. It took 2-3 minutes to load everything in. The heads, I'm not going to leave it. I'm going to put it in the garage because they're big and they're heavy. And yeah, I'm excited, man. Hope you guys are excited too to hear this thing. I want to hear it chop. I'm waiting to hear it. You know, people were a little upset at my first video. You didn't get a chop, you didn't get a loop. No, I didn't want that. I didn't. This was my daily at the time. I did not want it to be stupidly loud and obnoxious. I do leave for work at 5 a.m. in the morning, and you know, I don't want the world to hear me. But now you're all gonna hear me, and I don't even care because I got the quiet daily, and I got the beast. You know, the Cam Ram coming. This truck's coming hard, man. So whoever is out there better be ready for what's coming with this thing. I don't plan on just, you know, running this. I plan on doing huge things with this, and I got other plans all coming, all within this year. So this is going to be a big year for the channel. Let's grow this channel as much as we can. Spread the word. Do everything you guys can to help support this channel. Buy merch, you know what I mean? Tell your friends, subscribe. If you got a Ram, truck, whatever, let's get this channel growing and just do some big things in the truck world. I got another big thing coming this fall. I'm not going to spoil it for you, but I'll let everyone know. But a lot of my Ram guys are from Texas, so that's a big hint right there. So that, you know what I mean, what's going to happen. So let's get it started, man. And I want you guys to you know, check out the video and stuff like that. Sorry, I'm just rambling on, Ram. I'm excited, so I'm just rambling on right now. And I'm going to talk to you guys on the next one. Next video should be up Sunday. I'll talk to you later. Peace.